So, you've decided to become a Fiverr millionaire. You have your Fiverr account set up. All you need now is ideas on what you're going to sell. So in today's video, I'm going to list at least 40 things that you can sell on Fiverr. You're very welcome back to the channel, guys. It's Mark here. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe. I've been selling on Fiverr now for about 2 years. It's not my main source of income, but it is a welcome boost. So today we're going to talk about at least 40 different things that you can sell on Fiverr. So Fiverr is an extremely popular micro gig site. Thousands of people have created a regular income from the set for themselves by using Fiverr as a platform for offering their services. The idea behind Fiverr is very simple. What will you do for $5? Offer that on the site and let someone pay to get it done. The catch, of course, is that you don't really get $5 for the services you offer, since Fiverr does take a cut of your earnings. You can read more details about that at fiverr.com. So really you need to ask yourself, what would you do for $3 and some change, since I believe that's roughly what it works out as. So that being said, when you're doing your Fiverr gigs, when you're building up your reputation, it's all about the ratings. You need to get those 5-star ratings. So when you're just starting out, don't worry too much. If you're breaking even on Fiverr, it's good. So when you're offering a service and you're making that $3, once you're offering something that's of good quality, you get those 5-star results and you'll make the money on the upsells on the back end. So you might do a larger gig for $20, $50, $200, whatever it is. But first you need to get those 5-star ratings. You need to get customers coming in. So as I say, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Leave any comments down below and let's get going. Sometimes it's hard to think of something to sell. So what we're going to do is I'm going to go through about 40 different things that I've sold or have sold in the past, or have acquaintances who are doing quite well. So here we go. You can write articles or blog posts. You can edit articles or blog posts. You can write resumes and cover letters. You can do product descriptions. You can write headlines. You could write letters or emails. You could offer your handwriting services, thank you notes, greeting cards, etc. You can critique websites. You can do SEO help. You can build backlinks, etc. You can do keyword research for people looking to improve their own website SEO. You can turn photographs into paintings or digital images. You can create or modify spreadsheets. You could design logos and banners. You could design ebook covers, design business cards, edit, retouch images. You could make crafts. You can send messages, video messages. You can paint or draw pictures. You can share links or promos to your Facebook or Twitter followers. This works really well if you have a lot of followers. You can help people get Facebook, Twitter followers. You can create video advertisements. You can help troubleshoot website problems. You can help people set up their websites. You can do translation. You can do interpretation. You can transcribe audio files. You can post advertisements to Craigslist and other sites online. You can help others with homework, essays, give advice. There really is no limit to what you can do there if you're qualified to give advice. You can help people brainstorm or come up with ideas. You could create PDF files. You can get rid of computer viruses or malware for people. You can sing songs on videos or do voiceovers or audio for others. You could create music for others using your talent, guitar, piano, etc. You could write songs or jingles. You could do master audio tracks. You could do research for people. You could teach lessons. You can provide other writing services, other SEO services. The fact that you're even thinking about using Fiverr would say to me that you have something to offer there already, guys. And you can also check out other videos on the channel. Leverage those other videos, what you'll learn from those, and then provide that service on Fiverr. Just don't forget to like or comment, subscribe. You know how it works. This goes without saying. Before deciding what service to offer, make sure the pay is worth your time. I see a lot of people on Fiverr offering services that I'm amazed are willing to do for such low pay, but it all depends on how long it takes you to do something. Now, having said that, the way I work it on Fiverr is, and it's not, as I say, it's not my main source of income, but how I work it on Fiverr, and I do quite well and I get a lot of orders, is that the €5 entrance, shall we call it, the basic gig that you can offer on Fiverr, is generally a break-even gig for me. So I'll offer a service for $5. Won't make any money with that service, but what I will do is get customers. who are happy with the content, and once they try it for $5, try a service for $5 and they're happy, they'll tend to come back and order the larger gig and give you a good review, so you get more customers in. Once they order the larger gig, that's where you can make your extra side income or a full-time income. But you need to concentrate on that. Don't get hung up on the $5 entrance level. That's exactly what it is. It's just an entrance level fee. So having said that, once you get some good 5-star reviews, you get some Fiverr start sending some traffic your way, you don't disrupt any of their terms or conditions, or don't step outside the boundaries of that, or don't just spam people. What you can do then is you can scale up your prices. Once you have that traffic coming in, maybe your basic gig goes from $5 to $10, or maybe to $20. Because you have so many 5-star ratings built up at this stage over time, and because you've been offering a good product or service, the Fiverr will send you a lot of traffic. So a lot of impressions, and impressions mean sales. Now also monitor your impressions in the back office on Fiverr. Monitor your impressions and your sales ratio. You can offer 7 gigs, I think it is, at a basic package. So offer 2 or 3 similar type gigs that complement one another, so people will go for more than 1 gig order off you, if you know what I mean. Like, there's no point in, if you're offering SEO, then you might also offer backlink building, or if you're writing blog posts, you might also offer CV services or something like that. So offer services that complement one another. Like if you're doing some digital marketing, as I said, and that offer also some social media marketing. With that, they complement one another. But you can offer up to 7 gigs, as I say. With that, offer 2 or 3 gigs that are very similar, and see which one gets the impressions, see which one gets the orders. Feed the stallions, as they say. So the ones that are doing well, keep on editing that. And also another thing, guys, videos. You can offer a picture a cover picture for your gig. That's fine, but to get more success, video gets a lot more, about 40 or 50% more orders I found on video by just putting together a quick video about your gig. If you're not very good with videos, then, well, eureka, you're on Fiverr. Go to one of the Fiverr providers, get them to do you a quick video advertisement. It'll probably cost $10-15, and do a video review or a video of what you're offering on Fiverr. So having said that, if you have any comments, guys, or if you have any questions on Fiverr, or even starting a full-time Fiverr business, just leave a comment down below. As I say, there's at least 40 different things there that you can offer. Most people do very well in writing, or in graphic design, or in digital marketing or SEO services. As I say, if you can find something in a niche, that kind of niche right down, you can then command more money for that. Like the general writing and the general graphic design, it's very saturated. That's not to say you can't make a lot of money at it, but it is something that you need to look at. So I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Sorry about that, my phone just went off, but not to worry. And if you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe. Any questions, just leave a comment down below. What gigs are you using? Have you tried Fiverr before? Maybe you've tried some of the other sites like Freelancer or SEO Clerks or something like that. Also, another thing to do, actually, speaking of SEO Clerks, a lot of people leverage. Be careful if you're doing that. If you can offer a service, if you find a service on SEO Clerks that's cheaper than what's on Fiverr, and then just kind of subcontract it out, just be careful doing that, because it can, for what it's worth, it can be a lot more hassle than, to say, the usual gigs or the normal gigs. So having said that, guys, don't forget to hit that subscribe. Hope you enjoyed what you've learned today, and until next time, I'm going to try to get the videos a bit more fluent, a bit more regular, shall I say. But until next time, talk to you soon. Take care. Bye bye.